What's up, guys? So I just got the Mishimoto Cold Air Intake, which I haven't even opened yet because we accidentally had a dead camera. So the unveiling. Woo-wee! Look at this. Oh, she's gonna look pretty. So cool. Look at that. Look at that texture, dude. That looks. Woo! Can't wait to put this thing on. So where this goes is actually right down here. So your air tank, this lovely thing, is actually connected down here. So we've already done all the hard work. We went and took off my skid plates, which are right over there. And then the airflow connector. So I'm gonna go down there. What you gotta do is take this screwdriver and let's see if there's anything up here that's just like it. Oh yeah, so this is down there, just your bracket, and what we're gonna do is we're just gonna loosen that up from down there. Then we will be able to just pull this right up out. What you do need, 10mm wrench, 10mm sucker wrench down here, and a 12mm to take off that stupid piece of crap, which is a good piece of crap, but I'm gonna go down there and take it off, and we'll take it out for you guys. Okay, so that is your air tank, and if I was outside, I would stuff this with a cloth. That way, if there was any wind, we don't want anything in there. Other videos that I have watched, it has suggested to take these clips out and pull it back because we're gonna funnel this up there. So what we need to do, make sure everything is disconnected. Let's take this weird stuff out. Looks like I probably should have cleaned that out. And from other videos, supposedly this just comes right out, which it does. So I need to, oh, looky. Okay, so there's actually, you can see right here, and where my hand is, there's a bracket you can just pull right here. And we need to disconnect that, so I will actually be able to disconnect everything. Dark. It's too dark? Well, that's just a bummer. It should, if I turn it, pull this bad boy up, it should just come straight out. I hope. I don't have to go back underneath. Yeah. Oh yeah. It was like this. So when it goes in, you can actually see the airflow. So oh, it has screws. Heck yeah! Yeah, dude. Okay. So you gotta well, guys, it's an Allen wrench.
Not a screwdriver.
Not a screwdriver. Because they just want to make things more freaking complicated. Just kidding, guys. This has actually been a pretty easy install. For the most part. It's really simple. Just takes a lot of time because there's a lot of tedious work. A lot of screws come off.
Given it's taking us like 15 minutes. Not very long, maybe, yeah.
Said it was like a 45-minute install online, but taking everything apart is taking us like, what, 10 minutes?
Yeah.
Yeah, about 10 minutes.
Skid plate, taking the air filter, unscrewing everything, getting under the car. It's like 10 max minutes of hard, dedicated, dirty work.
Yeah. So.
This one's freaking tight, dude. Fingers are so sweaty. Okay, so this will. Oh no, don't lose that. So this will sit like this. So we're gonna have it plugged into that. And the airflow sensor needs to be where the air is flowing through it. Ta-da! So you gotta pay attention to this. So this needs to climb up because this needs to go right here. So this side is gonna connect into your actual intake housing. And
The longer side.
we're gonna place this. We're gonna get this over it. Guess I need both hands for a sec. And then, first time ever, I heard this called a worm clamp. So, call it what you want, but make sure it's on there nice and tight. Get this in place. And then let's clamp her down. So, make sure this is straight and actually attached to the plastic. Screw her in, guys. So, if you're a clean freak like my cameraman, put on some gloves, because this is a freaking messy job.
Ironic enough, you have a box glove on you.
Oh, I do? No, just kidding. Wait, what? That he bought? But gloves. Just wear them, I guess. Okay, so. Let's tighten this bad boy on there. So. It's kind of sad that I'm not going to see any of this red. Like, I requested red so I could sexy up this engine, and I'm not even gonna see it, but oh well, I know it's there.
Well, in your heart.
Yeah, in my heart, I know it's there. This sucker's never coming off. Alright. Okay, so now we need to put this bracket back on. Just goes right here. Stick it through that. Get it back into its hole. And then make sure you don't cross thread it. And tighten that bad boy on there. You should be able to finger tight it until the very last second, and then just go down there and just give her a little snug. And then, see, do we want to see it? We want to see that? Yeah, we do. We want to see what crap this thing is. Okay, so that this way. So you actually screw it on. So guys, they didn't come with one more worm thingy, so I just took it off my old air intake. So that's just gonna lock in right there. Plug this back in. And then this is gonna sit back on there like that. But before I do that, I gotta tighten that. So, whoa, chill. So that's gonna sit right there. Oh, would you just look at it? Would you just look at it? I love how Subi is just built for mods because everything just lines up perfect. So this thing that back down there. So to get this in there, they say do it at a 45. Pull this back a little bit.
Not 50 or 40.
45-degree angle.
45 degrees angle.
That is tight, bro. I'm trying to be gentle as possible. That is just really snug. Oh, she's on, I think. Yep, she's on. Oh, man, is she oily. Dope. So freaking stoked for this, guys. And a little insider for the next video to come. I'm getting a Cobb access port. Shut up. That is close.
That's it, guys.
What?
So that's it. So you change air intake. 15 minutes. Edited.
So guys, it's all installed. Just gonna throw the lid on, put a few screws in, put my skid plate back on, and in a quick sec, roll this off, and we'll see you in the car when we're driving it.